smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
It's the morning. Gonna walk back into the old city for a bit of sightseeing. Marco Polo. Must be me. The river wakes. James Cook. It's 10:15. Either this city has already got up and gone to work, or it's very quiet. 2 o'clock in the afternoon yesterday, absolutely packed around here. There's nobody here today. This is the church to Joan of Arc. So it's open most days, except Friday morning, which is where I am. Tiny little street with the houses touching. A grisly place. So my walk for today starts from the cathedral. I think what I'm following for a while are these blue and yellow. So here we are, day 12. Had a morning sightseeing in Rouen. Now making my way to Vaudreuil. I'll probably learn how to say that. Walking across this bridge which has got little sculpture busts of famous explorers. I think the last one here is Vasco da Gama. There he goes. So the objective day, fairly short hopefully, although I'm not going particularly fast, is just to do the 23 kilometers to get to the Vaudreuil. So let's see where the day takes us. Maybe it is this colour. I did map out a route yesterday. The first bit seemed to be some sort of Camino. So maybe through the pedestrianised zone of Saint-Sever with its cathedral church at the end. Still going with these symbols. Says we can go. A long drag out of town. A lot of roadworks on this drag in out of Rouen. So gravel path for pedestrians. They definitely don't want their trees harmed in any way. This is the long straight road I'm going down. Passing a big stadium. My guess is it's Rouen football, but I don't know. Nice sheltered walkway. Having a nice barbecue. Getting almost to the end of this drag. Swerve left. This is an area of just outside Rouen. It's got loads and loads of hotels. This is what I'm walking on, and the district I've been through they call the Wee Hub. Nice cool avenue under the trees. Catches the breeze, waving at you. A succession of runners. It's obviously a well-used area. Yeah, pretty worthwhile having benches. It's a long, long, straight path. What a dude. Look at those blue legs. Sharpish left, and it's just another long straight path. It's been a while since I've seen a sign, but that is saying don't go down there. So I'm clearly on a path of some sort, going this way. Still going on this path. A nice looking guy. Bit more obvious this time. You wonder on maps how you're going to get over something, but this gives you a nice sign and a nice bridge over the road. The end of this bit of forest section, because we're now coming into a built up area which should have a bridge over the river. Still have all these signs. Small French town. It's taking me through it and then down to the river. Aye, the River Seine. Well, there's a quay that can go up and down quite a lot. Now, over the bridge. The next bridge over a bit of river. But another road bridge with a slightly larger path. Coming into Tourville-la-Rivière. Clearly quite a large place. It's got an IKEA and a karting bowling. Wow. Okay. Up and out the back of this village. There's chickens. More pavement walking, this time uphill. I've walked through this town up to their sports ground. Going around the edge of the sports ground, what do I see? A GR sign, so off I go. Instead of the road between the two villages, you can take this low route, which takes you between the fields, which is a much nicer walk. Halfway through the village, getting closer to the last bridge. Not really a path here, just going to go straight over this roundabout. Friday night, traffic. Going over the River Gier, presumably a tributary of the Seine. Every town has its church with its hanging buttresses. Pont d'Arc is no different. Not much choice but to take the D road at rush hour into the village. Can't work out how to go through the forest. Oh well. First time I've seen it mentioned on a sign. A slightly more comfortable path for the last quarter of an hour or so. Hopefully the last sign before the village sign. There it is. Our twin.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.